Hey friends, today I wanna sitting here and crochet with you because I'm working on the new project that I challenged myself to finish in 7 days. Today is the third day, and before I tell you what I'm making, for those who watching my short video, you already know what I'm making because I post on the shorts like every day since I start this project. But if you are just found out my channel today and this is the first time you see me, my name is Maya and I'm working on a new project using this yarn, Miss Sparkle from Hobby. Look at how beautiful. So sparkle, no? And this is like bulky weight yarn category 5. So I work with hook size very big. 7mm hook. Can you see? I just bought this hook from Amazon. It just arrived yesterday. I'm testing it right now. I purchased it because I have one 7mm hook, but it's like very cold when I hold this. I have to say that I like it, but I don't love it. Why? Because I feel like the thing is too short. Because I hold my hook like this, I end up just touching this part, like to resting the thumb here. But I think it's cute. And I bought the whole, like they sell the whole thing, and I really like the golden hook. Look at the golden one. So I'm thinking of keeping it or give it away. Today I order another set, will arrive tomorrow. If you want to know and want to see, I will make another video. Today is about showing you my whip, my work in progress. So I'm just going to put the hook down for now. In the yesterday and the day before, because today is the third day, so the first day and the second day, I come up with the design. The design is actually sitting on my head, sitting in my head for some time since I received the yarn. But you know, it's not the same when you have this idea in your mind, but and when you really sit down and start the project, you might change your mind. That's what I want to say. That happened to me all the time. But yeah, I managed to start and finish the first panel. I also want to show you the length. This will be almost with this dress slightly. Oh yeah, nice length. So this is gonna be the back panel of my cardigan, you know. So I don't make oversized cardigan, but when it's finished and you want to make it oversized, you can definitely do it, and I will explain step by step in the tutorial video. But today is more like crochet with me and kind of vlog day. So I'm not gonna go into detail on that. Just to show you my panel is done, the back panel is done, and now I'm working on the front panel. Looks smaller because I want to have some space to add the row for the buttons. We also need the buttons for this project. My idea is to have a cardigan with like a ribbing go around to have a button. I ordered the button today, like vintage pearl button. I think gonna go well with this because it's like beige and gold, and I think will match. We will see, because sometimes you order thing online and then show up, it's not the same, right? So it looks small, but I think it's gonna fit. If you want to go like that and have like little space too. And yeah, I still have this doubt in my head, like what if it's not fit? What if it's not fit? We can always make the trim to connect the back panel and the front panel, and I will explain to you everything. I just want to let you know that this project is like designing, filming, crocheting together while I'm making it. So it's kind of like the moment of, I'm not sure if it's gonna work or maybe da da da. But I think it's good because then you can see the behind the scene. That's why I filmed the video today. When you watch the tutorial, one is done, it's gonna be smooth and everything gonna be on point for you. But this is behind the scene of designing process. All right, so yeah, my idea is to have the front panel with the v-neck shape. So I'm starting from the bottom up, and then when it's come around here, my around my chest area, I'm going to start to do the decreasing, and go like that. So I have kind of a V shape here and then a little bit space to make the trim for the button. I think it's gonna be amazing. It's just in my head that I already see this picture, you know. And I was thinking to have normal arm just like this one, maybe even smaller. This one is a little bit open here. By the way, this my old design from 2017, I think. And when you work with 100% yarn, this is what happened. 100% wool. It's like a lots of thing coming out. I got a machine to make it neat again, but I never really unboxing it. Maybe I do, and I show you how to do this if you want, and like not how to do this that I know how, but to like experimenting together. Let me know in the comment below if you want to see me use that machine. What is it called again, this machine? Someone told me the name. And you can use it on your crochet garment and it's make it neat again. So I have it already since a couple of years and I never unboxing it. I could do that in the upcoming video if you want to, and we can make it neat together again. The point is I have the tutorial of this project as well if you want to learn how to crochet this one. So today just gonna continue with my oh, it's very fast, this yarn. Okay, I still have some portion to go before I start to do the decreasing. I sometimes confuse with the words decreasing and increasing. You can take your project and crochet along with me because I'm just gonna crochet here and share a little bit my point of view about the hook that I purchased and why I think this hook is good for those who hold their crochet hook as a knife grip, because I think when you hold as a knife grip you need more space to, you see it's perfectly for those who hold knife grip. Sometimes I do that and I think this hook is perfect for that because I think they leave a lot of space for this way of holding the hook. But for me, oh, you see, for me, I'm very good with this pencil grip because I learned this way. I learned to crochet since I was 7 years old, and I learned the simple stitch from the school. I actually did just like not a blanket. I never done blanket, scarf. And I have to tell you, I hate it. Not I hate the scarf. I hate to crochet back then because it's so boring doing the same thing all the time. But you know, I come from Thailand and this is like kind of a meditative way of being. Like, you know, it's like, how can I say that word? Like, it's very meditative to crochet, let's say that. And I think they teach this, they taught to the children because they want us to be more calm. Since I study in the temple school, we also have to, it's the must that we need, or we got to sit down and meditate in the evening. I never liked it back then, but now I feel so grateful that I have brought up or grow up or raised in this way, because I would never be able to crochet the way I do now, maybe if I don't have a basic skill as a child. Like, I learn everything pretty quick now when I come back to crochet again, you know. And so I look back and I'm very grateful for that. And also meditation, I now become also meditation practitioner. So I think everything I learned as a child when I was a kid kind of the foundation of who I am today, let's say that. I don't say that I have a perfect childhood. I don't mean that, but everything happened when I was a child, good or bad, is kind of like mold me into the person I am today, if you know what I mean. So I'm grateful for that. Let me know in the comment below, when did you start your crochet journey and how do you feel back then and how do you feel now? I would love to get to know you better. And yeah, if you want to start this project with me, I actually post on my Instagram because I want to know if anyone would be crazy enough to already start this project with me when I'm not actually finishing it. If you want to do that, you can DM me to my Instagram. Let's do on Instagram because it's easier for me to respond and send back DM to you. You can DM me on my Maya Luna Corazon. Everywhere across the platform is Maya Luna Corazon. You'll find me. So if you use Instagram and want to start this project without having to see it in full result, I can guide you through. You can DM me and we can start chatting, and I will let you know the measurement you need to create this cardigan with me. And I would suggest you to get bulky weight yarn if you want this effect of this yarn. I will leave the link also to purchase this yarn directly to Hobby. So then you're gonna have the same material with me and same looking cardigan with me. They have different color, but I really love white and gold. I love white and gold so much, and I think this will look nice on my skin tone. So yeah, if you want to go grab the yarn and then DM me, and then I will send you info of how I do all this. But if you want to wait until it's finished, just want to make sure that I'm not mess it up, then you got to wait. Let's say I try to finish in 7 days, and let's say approximately in 10 days, because with the filming, you know, it takes some time to edit the video and everything. So yeah, I want to show you close up of this yarn. Gorgeous, no? And it work up pretty fast. All right, dear one. Just a short video today for you. Let me know if you have any question, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. And yeah, if you like this video, share your love by liking this video, subscribe to my channel for more tutorial and vlog, and you know, just sharing, talking, connecting with me. I'm very happy that you are here with me and looking forward to hear from you. And if you make any of my design, just tag me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram all the time so I can see your work and share on my story as well. Go ahead to my crochet tutorial playlist. Tons of tutorials there for you, baby. Baby, my love. See you next tutorial once this one is ready. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye bye. See you soon again. Have a lovely day and happy crocheting.